Hello, everybody. I have Ricky today from UK. Yes, Ricky, marhaba.
Mahaba. I've forgotten it. I've forgotten it.
Marhaba, yeah.
Just Mahaba.
Marhaba, okay.
Okay.
So, how do you find the class?
Oh, I have loved it. Now, I want to say to you, Muntassir, that I have been trying to learn Egyptian by myself for months. And honestly, it hasn't made sense. Nobody else has been able to make sense of the sounds and all the vowels and the letters. And you have just simplified it and you've made it so clear.
It's my pleasure. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you learn any Arabic words from me?
Oh, I have. It's just that you put me on the spot. Okay, so I have learned Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Great. You're very intelligent. Okay, it's my pleasure to be your teacher, and I will do my best always. Okay. Thank you very much for your nice words. I really appreciate that. Appreciate that.
I look forward to our next lesson.
Okay, thank you. Me too. Thank you, Ricky. I'm looking forward next lesson as well. Okay. Have a wonderful day.
I will.
Okay.
I will.
Thank you. Ma salama.
Ma salama. Does that mean goodbye? Ma
Yeah, that's it. Goodbye. Ma salama.
Ma salama. All right. See you next Sunday. Thank you,
See you next.
Muntassir.
You're welcome. You're most welcome,
Bye-bye.
Ricky. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.